that older lady, when she roll it out, it'd be 6 or 7 feet long, and this is sort of cheating, you know, one piece at a time. I was able to get this walnut meal, which is just finely ground walnuts.
How long have you been making Povitica for?
Since I got the place in '82, I just got the recipe from the previous owners.
Cinnamon then?
Cinnamon, yeah. I got one customer down in St. Ignace owns a motel. Last Christmas he ordered 110 large ones to give away for gifts.
Oh, wow.
It takes a while.
How many days did that take?
Several days. We make a bunch and freeze them, and he comes up and gets them all at one time.
Is this one of the favorites of the house?
Oh yeah. I don't know of any other place that sells it, so.
You know, I was when I came up here, I was really interested in immigrant foods. And where's this one coming from? Povitica.
Slovenia, that whole area, Middle East.
Were there
Croatia.
Slovenian miners? I know
Oh, yeah.
they're Croatians, yeah.
Oh yeah, all different ethnic groups.
It's kind of a cinnamon meringue in a way.
Cinnamon, yeah.
Egg whites and sugar.
Egg whites, sugar, yeah, and then the walnuts.
And you use a walnut meal, you say?
A walnut meal. It's the same thing as when you grind it yourself, just that you don't have to do the grinding.
It's also a little cheaper, I think, when you buy a meal. I mean,
I know some people do like an apple Povitica. This one guy used to do like a pineapple one, but some people like to drizzle honey on it or whatever.
have you done an apple one before?
A couple times, but it's sort of a pain to work with, so
Is it?
I'm good with just the one kind. The lady up last summer just up visiting, and said she's from Missouri, and I said, oh, if you're looking for a place to eat, I mentioned the place up at the Fitz with a good barbecue. She goes,
Oh, yeah.
I'm from Kansas City, I know a good barbecue. I'm like, okay.
Did you go there?
I don't think so.
Oh.
I can do big or small. The only difference is you cut it in half and put it in the soup pan.
And what can you tell me about this dough? What's in it?
Just milk, eggs, flour, sugar, a little salt. Forget to make it or I'm in a hurry, I can throw it in the back of the freezer for about 2 hours to chill it. Otherwise it just tears too easily. I wouldn't want to eat a whole plate of it, but I've made French toast of the Povitica before, like one slice. It's rich, but it's good.
It does sound good.
And even the local wildlife likes it. I had a lady who bought a Povitica and put it on her kitchen cupboard at her camp, and 2 days later she went to get it. She picked it up and it was really light. She turned it around, and the mouse had gotten in the backside.